Right, we have some breaking developments coming in right now, viewers. Congress has announced a list of candidates right now, and Y.S. Sharmila is all set to contest in the Lok Sabha polls, and she will be contesting from Andhra Pradesh's Kadapa parliamentary constituency. That is the big update we have right now. There were speculations already on this seat whether Sharmila will get to contest from Kadapa, and now it is official that it is Y.S. Sharmila who in fact will be contesting from Kadapa. The Andhra Pradesh Congress chief Y.S. Sharmila will be now contesting from Kadapa. The 17 Lok Sabha candidate list is out, viewers, and Y.S. Sharmila to contest from Kadapa, and State Unit Chief of Andhra Pradesh Congress's Y.S. Sharmila Reddy is going to contest from Kadapa seat. It's developing, the latest development coming in as the Congress announces the list, the fresh list of candidates. Aneri is joining us. Aneri is joining us on the phone line for more. Aneri, well, there were many, lot of speculations around the seat, and Y.S. Sharmila, remember, had also been continuously, during the recent meeting, expressing concerns over the, delay in pension disbursement in Andhra Pradesh also. And she was quite active on this front, and there were speculations that she will be making this announcement, and it's official now. Kadapa seat, tell us the significance of this.
Hello. So as we have been seeing that in the upcoming elections, where we have been seeing Y.S. Sharmila playing a major role in the state of Andhra Pradesh, because remember how she has now started her political career in the state of Andhra Pradesh. She has moved from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh, and after which she had also become the Andhra Pradesh Congress chief, following which we see that now, yesterday there was a meeting with the top leadership of the Congress party, including Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, in the national capital, where Y.S. Sharmila was also present in the meeting.
Rebellion continues to peak in Karnataka BJP camp because former RDPR minister K.S. Ishwarappa, despite being advised by Amit Shah on not contesting, he remains adamant. He says that he will contest the polls from Shivamogga, and he openly criticized B.S. Yediyurappa, the former chief minister, and his son Vijayendra. Remember, K.S. Ishwarappa has been demanding a change in guard in the top BJP's leadership in Karnataka. And time and again, K.S. Ishwarappa has been openly criticizing the former chief minister and his son, saying that there is family politics at play in Karnataka, and that's why B.Y. Vijayendra was elevated as the state BJP president. Remember, earlier today, Amit Shah had said that he will hold talks with K.S. Ishwarappa in the national capital. The former RDPR minister also said that he will visit the national capital and hold talks with Amit Shah. And he also said that Amit Shah cannot ask him to not contest the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Let's listen in to his reaction.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನ ಮುಕ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ನೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋರು ಕಟ್ಟದೇ ಇರೋರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪಕ್ಷ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಅಂಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೂರನೇದು, ಹಿಂದುತ್ವದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು. ರವಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಸಿಂಹ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅನಂತಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಸವನಗೌಡ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಯತ್ನಾಳ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸದಾನಂದ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾನಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂದುತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂದುತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಬೆಲೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಸಂಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂದುತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು, ಹಿಂದುಳಿದವರಿಗೆ